Hey loves, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing something completely different. We are going to be reviewing the Lenovo Pad laptop. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. And of course, I am no tech guru, I am no IT buffin, but we're just going to be reviewing the item and hope you do enjoy the video and stay tuned.
Based on the specs, I would give the device a solid 9 out of 10 simply because of its features and affordability. It is definitely worth every coin, trust me, especially if you are a student or someone who just started working. This definitely is going to come in handy and set you up until you are good to upgrade.